Day trading really profitable? I hope this question appears in the mind of every stock market trader who is at the beginner level. Day trading can be profitable but can also lead you to go bankrupt, provided you do the following. There may be millions of influencers and half baked traders out there who claim to say only the positive aspects of trading. Trading involves money, patience, discipline, and a proper mental state. Trading is an art. It can only be mastered with discipline and a true passion for stock market. Trading does not make you rich quickly, but it can make you go bankrupt easily. So please get yourself aware of what you are getting into, be it equity trading or derivative trading or forex trading. Everything comes with a warning. You are very likely to lose money if you are at the beginner level. Your money goes into someone else's pocket, and someone else's money comes to your pocket only after several years of vigorous trading. So, always make sure to understand your loss first before talking about the profits. Intraday trading can make you profitable if you stick with a proper setup. Identify a strategy and stick to it no matter what. Don't keep changing strategies often. Use the same strategy for at least a minimum of 3 to 6 months in the live market with a proper stop loss. Stop loss can be kept according to your setup. Remember to always trade with the money that you're ready to lose. Remember, there are no 100% winning strategy in stock market. You can't keep making a lump sum every single day. Keep a check on your mental and physical health. Trading can worsen it if you keep making losses consistently. It's a myth that you can only learn to become profitable by joining high paid courses. No, that can't be true. There are a lot of free materials available online and on YouTube. And there are few genuine traders who teach you the real trading. But before that, make sure whether they are ready to show their P&L before joining any course. You only learn trading by learning from your losses and from your discipline and how you trust your setup. You are your own master. Fall in love with trading and everything else will fall into place. If you are a full time trader, it might take a minimum of 1 to 2 years to become net profitable. If you take this as a side income, trust me, it takes more than 3 years. Some have been on the loss for more than 4 to 5 years and have started to be profitable thereafter. So, patience is a must in trading. Everybody has their own trading cycle. The journey may be short or long depending on how you go with it. Those who master discipline, patience, and trust they set up, you will become profitable someday. Trust that and keep working hard. All the best.